What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please run it up, man. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. I appreciate y'all, man. We got another shoe to unbox, man. So we are still on our go to 1,000 subscribers. We're somewhere in the 700s. So just please run it up for me, man. Help me hit my goals. Until then, we will get into the box. Looks like somebody tried to take a little peek at my box. They put the clear tape on it. You know, these boxes don't come with tape. So either the box got smashed in delivery or somebody really tried to get into my box. So let's just get into it real quick. I know the shoe will be releasing today. Let's get into the box. Hey man, these guys straight open my box, bro. Straight up open the box, bro. That's crazy. By the box, you should know what it is, man. We got woman's Air Jordan 1 High Retro. Colorway is Black University Red and White. Go ahead, open up this box. This is an early look. So we got a stamp on the inside, we got a swoosh and a Nike sign. We got a little dust bag. This is way smaller than what I thought it was by looking at pictures. This thing is, it's like a purse. This is tiny. A little Jordan dust bag. Open up the box real quick. Wow. Air Jordan 1 Satin Bread. I got this, I got exclusive access for this shit. Now, anybody that knows me or if you've been following the channel for a while, you know that the Jordan 1 Bread is my favorite shoe. So when I got exclusive access, I said to myself, I gotta give it a shot. I gotta see what these look like in hand. And yeah, man, I got really lucky. Now this shoe comes with extra laces. It comes with a set of red laces. No shoe tree, just paper on the inside. We got the Nike Air. We got the red insole with the Nike Air in black. And if you go around the whole shoe, man, it has a great sheen to it. Doesn't look ashy. It just has a really good gloss. And it's 100% all satin. The Nike sign is satin. The tongue is satin. The toe box is satin. The mud guard. Everything about this shoe is satin. Eyelets are metal. I think it's cool. I think that's a cool little take. So it looks different from your regular shoe, which just normally has like the punch holes in it. And I know a lot of you guys have seen this shoe, but I had to see the shoe in hand. My initial thoughts is, in all honesty, it's clean. I probably won't double up on this, but I'm definitely gonna hold on to this and kind of just see how I feel about it. You know, it's super shiny, man. I don't know. I do like it. I'd give it out of 5. I'll probably give it a 4 out of 5. I do wish that there were some leather hits. I wouldn't mind even if just like the black collar around this part was just leather like that. I think that would have been nicer. 100% satin. I don't know how these shoes are gonna wrinkle. I know on the market for shoes right now, these are basically going for retail. This probably isn't the shoe to resell. Maybe if you're looking just to have a shoe and just to hold on to it for a while, that might be the move. Personally, I'm not into resale. I normally just cop what I like. Definitely love the colorway. I don't see see any crazy glue marks or anything like that. You know, with satin, that glue can kind of like show itself. Yeah, I don't know. I like the shoe, but I don't know. And I said a 4 out of 5, but maybe like a 3.75. Because I do kind of wish it had more leather on it. Around the mud guard would have been some genuine leather. I think that would have been nice. I think that would have set it apart. But it's a very clean shoe. I love the colorway. And I just don't think that I could let this shoe go right now. Like, definitely looks cool in the collection. And it's my first bread, so I'll be holding on to this shoe just to see how I feel, man, to see if it really grows on me. Like, it's a nice shoe. It's a nice shoe. I just don't know if it's for me yet. You guys run it up in the comments. Tell me what you think about this shoe. If you don't have a bread shoe and you're looking to get a bread shoe in your collection, this is the shoe to get. I'll say that. But yeah, that's my honest take on it. You guys take it for what it is. Buy what you like. It's your boy Bert Collins, man. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. You guys enjoy the drop, man. Subscribe, man. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Peace.